the Shark Blanket Hoodie. Onesie from the Inkart store is a unique wearable blanket that has captured the attention of many for its combination of comfort, warmth, and playful design. This product, available for both adults and kids, is designed as a soft, cozy onesie costume that doubles as a wearable sleeping bag. Since its release in March 2024, it has gained popularity, ranking notably in the home and kitchen category, and especially among wearable blankets. With over 3,000 customer ratings averaging 4.2 stars, it is clear that this product resonates well with users who value both functionality and fun in their loungewear. One of the standout features of the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie is its material quality. Users repeatedly mention the softness and warmth of the fabric, describing it as exceptionally comfortable for lounging around the house or even sleeping. The plush texture makes it inviting for extended wear, whether for relaxing on a cold day or as a novelty item to bring some humor and joy to home life. The warmth it provides is sufficient for most indoor environments, making it a practical choice for those who often feel chilly. The design itself is a major draw. Shaped like a shark, the onesie includes fins and a hood that resembles a shark's mouth, adding a playful and whimsical element to what might otherwise be a simple wearable blanket. Many users have shared stories of how this design has brought smiles and laughter to their homes, with some even using it to playfully surprise family members. The fins are functional to some extent, allowing wearers to use them to grab items or simply enjoy the novelty of shark walking around the house. However, some users noted that the fins and legs can be a bit short, which may make navigating stairs or walking for extended periods slightly challenging. Sizing is an important consideration with this product. Several reviewers advise sizing up, especially for adults or taller children. The standard size can feel a bit snug or short for people around 5 feet 3 inches or taller, limiting mobility somewhat. For kids, the fit tends to be better, with an average-sized 11-year-old finding it perfect. The snugness can hold down the shoulders slightly, but it does not generally cause discomfort. Those who have purchased the onesie for children appreciate that it fits well and is comfortable enough for them to wear around the house or to bed. Durability is another aspect that customers have addressed. The Shark Blanket Hoodie. Onesie holds up well to regular use and washing, with many users reporting no significant wear or tear after months of use. However, there are occasional reports of minor issues, such as one of the fins ripping after a couple of weeks. Overall, the product seems to maintain its quality over time, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a cozy and fun loungewear option. The product also shines as a gift. Many buyers have purchased it for family members, especially children or those who enjoy quirky and offbeat items. It has been well received as a Christmas or birthday present, with recipients appreciating both its warmth and novelty. The Shark Blanket Hoodie. Onesie stands out as a memorable gift that combines practicality with a sense of humor. In terms of usability, the onesie is straightforward to wear and care for. It functions well as a wearable blanket, allowing users to stay warm while keeping their hands free. The hood can be worn up or down, and some users have found creative ways to use the mouth opening by pinning it shut while sticking their head out. This adds to the versatility and fun of the product. The onesie is easy to put on and take off, making it convenient for everyday use. Despite its many positives, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The sizing issue is the most frequently mentioned concern, so potential buyers should carefully check size recommendations and consider ordering a size larger for comfort. The short fins and legs can limit mobility, especially on stairs, which might be inconvenient for some users. Additionally, while the material is soft and warm, it may not be suitable for extremely cold environments without additional layers. Overall, the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie delivers on its promise of being a soft, cozy, and fun wearable blanket. It combines comfort with a playful design that appeals to both kids and adults. Its durability and warmth make it a practical choice for indoor use, while its unique shark theme adds a touch of whimsy to everyday lounging. Whether used for relaxing, sleeping, or as a conversation-starting costume, this product has proven to be a hit among many users. If you own this product, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This wearable shark blanket is a great example of how functional comfort and entertaining design can come together to enhance home life. For those looking to add a bit of fun and warmth to their loungewear collection, the Shark Blanket Hoodie Onesie is definitely worth considering.